Virtual staging versus real staging. Staging has many benefits. Not only does it help buyers visualize a house as a home, NAR says it also helps homes sell 5% to 23% over their listing price. Whether you are firmly on the side of virtual staging or traditional home staging, or still on the fence, this video is food for thought. A staged home spends 73% less time on the market than a non-staged home. Let's see how virtual staging compares with real staging. Round 1. Effort involved. Virtual staging boasts staged images from professional editors without lifting a finger. Home staging requires heavy lifting. Round 2. Expense. On average, a virtually staged image costs you $16 to $100, but real staging can cost $2,000 to $7,000, as estimated by Realtor.com. Round 3. Revisions. In virtual staging, it is easy to correct mistakes and make quick changes. Just send an email to the editor and you're good to go. In real staging, making updates is cumbersome. If you don't like the layout, you just have to work your muscles and shift things around. Round 4. Design. Virtual staging allows you to iterate the same image in different styles, ranging from classical to contemporary. In real staging, it's an expensive and inefficient process to update new trends. Here's what Malcolm Louis Adams from Compass thinks about virtual staging.
I remember it looked like magic to me to have an empty room and then have a service like yours furnish the room to my spec and then create an emotion from that staging.
Round 5. Turnaround time. Just 48 hours for a realistic image without a worry in mind. Take my money already. Traditional home staging consumes many resources and could take several days. Let's look at the magic virtual staging creates. Here's an image of a gorgeous room with white walls and a classic chandelier. At a first glance, could you guess that this is a dining room? Renting furniture to stage a room for a single photograph is expensive, time-consuming, and inefficient. After using virtual staging, the room looks livelier and more stylish, just like how a contemporary dining room should look like. It helps potential clients visualize themselves living here, making the listing more attractive to buyers. Why choose virtual staging? Sell properties faster. Get a higher sales price. Better listing appeal. Cost effective. Get a competitive edge. Variety of design options. Virtual staging definitely has some advantages, which cannot be overlooked. Now that you know the differences between them, which is your go-to option the next time you stage a home? If you are team virtual staging, here's an awesome offer for you. Check out Styldod's virtual staging service that transforms your listing by turning vacant rooms into beautiful, stylish, virtually staged spaces at just $16 per image. Check out the link in the description box to get your discount.